तो कितने उत्साह की बात है और कितनी मुश्किल की बात है आपके लिए?
बहुत बढ़िया। मुझे सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरी जो जर्नी है वो काफ़ी अलग है। मैं आज अपने घर से मनाली से जब आ रही थी तो एयरक्राफ्ट में बैठ के मैं सोच रही थी कि आप लोगों से मिलना होगा और किस तरह के प्रश्न आएंगे। तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि क्या मेरी जर्नी सच में ही इतनी अनयूजुअल है कि सिर्फ मुझे लगता है। तो उसमें एक ही एस्पेक्ट है जो उभर के बार बार आता है कि मुझे अपनी हर चीज़ के लिए लड़ना पड़ता है। हर चीज़ मुझे लड़के ही मिलती है, चाहे कुछ भी हो, छोटी से छोटी चीज़। अब वो ऐसा ही है, मेरी किस्मत ही ऐसी है या मेरी लाइफ ही ऐसी है। सो आई मेड पीस विद इट। और एक आई थिंक ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का एक नियम सा बन गया है। तो मुझे इससे अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और मैं ये कहूँगी कि अगर आप में से कुछ लोग हैं जो कि सोचते हैं कि टू बी और नॉट टू बी उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है। अगर आपको बिल्कुल ही जैसे बगावत करने वाले या रेबल या लड़ाकू या जो भी कहें, आई डोंट टेक एन ऑफेंस। अच्छा है, जैसा है वैसा है। बट जो मेरा हक है वो तो मुझे लेके ही रहना है, चाहे लड़के मिले चाहे कैसे भी मिले।
Woo! You know,
हंसल सर,
hashtag Bhagavati Tevar for life, Kangana. I love that hashtag. Let's make it trend.
हंसल सर, एक आर्टिस्ट के तौर पर जब आप किसी का सिलेक्शन करते हैं तो नेचुरली कंटेंट ड्राइव करता है आपको उस डिसीजन के लिए, लेकिन साथ काम करते हुए जो एक संरक्षक के तौर पर, एक मेंटोर के तौर पे जो चीज़ें आप अपने सह कलाकार के बारे में सोचते हैं, क्या आप कभी कंगना को एडवाइस करते हैं कि इनको टोन डाउन करना चाहिए और आप करना चाहिए?
देखिए, डायरेक्टर मेंटोर नहीं होता है, वो पार्टनर होता है, एक ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर होता है। कि आपके साथ इतने सारे टैलेंटेड लोग, इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट जो एक्चुअली जिनमें मुझसे ज़्यादा हुनर है, उनको मैनेज करना और उनको समेटना, उनके काम को एक दिशा में ले जाना, ये मेरा काम है। मैं मानता हूँ कि ये जो मैनेजमेंट है, एक सेंसिटिविटी के साथ मैनेज करना, ये एक डायरेक्टर का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट काम है।
और मैंने अंसर सर को हमेशा कहा है कि आई थिंक ही इज़ अ ग्रेट डायरेक्टर, बिकॉज हमेशा डायरेक्शन को लोग मिसअंडरस्टैंड करते हैं विद समवन हु इज़ मोर लाइक अ डिक्टेटर, someone who tells actors how to act, someone who tells art director how to put up his sets, someone who tells the designer what designs are like. Jabki a director is like sir said, he's a someone who is a guiding force. So मैंने कभी भी set पे monitor नहीं देखा, because it is a relationship of trust that you build with each other. And that is like I was writing my dialogues and I was acting, but he would always call me, "Do you want to see your shot?" And I just refused to, and not even once, not even one shot I've seen. So I think that's because I told him, he's like, "You never see monitor, don't you want to see how it's looking?" I told him that, sir, I've seen your films, and he has as a universal language of cinema, his cinema is very subtle, and I have different sensibilities when it comes to, sort of depicting a certain story. So I don't want to interrupt in his thought process. At the same time, never in his life he told me, enacted a scene that, do this. And I think the best directors I worked with are like that. They give you the material and they let you interpret it.
Kangna Hansal
Thank
here,
you.
on your extreme left. Ankur from HuffPost. Hi. I wanted to ask both of you, in Bollywood, broadly speaking, there's a dearth of female narratives. Like a Simran or a lipstick under my burqa is more the exception than the norm. So did you at any point feel, like any kind of problems in raising investment for a film that's entirely female-centric? Or helping Kangna helped because, having Kangna help because, she's obviously a star and that makes the process easier?
Of course, I mean, a narrative like Simran, having a star like Kangna is absolutely, it helps us raise money. But at the same time, I would not ask somebody to play a character if that star could not be the actor for the character. So, I mean, she is a unique combination of a fantastic actor. And for me, that was the most attractive bit. And my producers here were generous enough to, support that conviction. And I think female narratives, there is, which narrative in today's times can you say is popular? A narrative that is engrossing, a narrative, a character that is endearing, a film that makes you smile, a film that reflects a slice of life. I mean, that is the narrative that we are looking for. And it so happens that that protagonist is a female, and a female who, I mean, I think it's a character that we will all, I'm very proud of the character. It's a
Right.
character that redefines many stereotypes about the female
The gender
narrative,
itself.
the
yeah.
female narrative itself.
But what I mean is, in mainstream cinema, you usually see women in the context of men. So this is quite a refreshing change. So
Well, here you see a man in the context of a woman.
yes, yeah, like that.
Thanks, Ankur. Could you please pass your mic 2 rows up in the front? Thanks.
This is for Hansal ji. What was your experience shooting in America and working with American technicians?
Honest answer? It's different. It's different. It is there's a different discipline and a different work environment. So it took a bit of time to get adjusted to that discipline, and also, you know, the previous films that I had made, I was never used to so many people on set. So it was a new environment, but very professional, and very. I mean, we made some really amazing friends by the time we left the US, and I just wish it would be a little more inexpensive.
Thank you. Please pass your mic ahead. That gentleman's been waiting for a while. Thanks.
Yeah, Hansal, first of all, congratulations. The trailer was really amazing. It had the class of a Hollywood movie. I mean, I almost thought I was watching an English film trailer. And coming to my question, can you share some information on the character Praful Patel, and how did you think of the name Praful Patel?
You see, there is, I mean, there's a backstory to that name, that, you know, her father, Praful's father wanted a son. So जब लड़की हुई, उसका नाम प्रफुल्ल रख दिया. So it's, you know, many people said कि why is she not Prafulla? I said वो उनको प्रफुल्ल चाहिए था, उनको प्रफुल्ला नहीं चाहिए थी. So, you know, somewhere the girl has taken on that role. The girl who wants to buy a house, wants to be independent. It's the role that the boy would take over. So, Praful Patel is a universal character. She represents a universal truth. And, I mean, it is played to absolutely pitch perfect, you know, perfection by Kangna.
Ladies and gentlemen, this will be marking
Yeah,
the
yeah.
end
Hello,
of our
hi,
Q&A.
Kangna.
I'm terribly
me.
sorry.
Hi,
That will
Kangna.
be our last question.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Thanks.
Yes, hi.
Yeah, hello, I wanted to ask this
This
question.
is, okay, we take these
Sorry,
two
hang on.
questions. You
The
say
girl in the back,
Yeah.
who started the question? Go ahead, please.
Hi, Kangna,
Thank you.
this is Mini from India Today. So a lot has been said about nepotism, and at IFA Awards, Karan Johar, Saif Ali Khan, and Varun Dhawan mocked your statement about nepotism. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I've written an open letter on it, and I think it's just
It's been very well
Yeah.
discussed, yeah?
But
Thanks.
we have read all the letters, we have heard all the comments, but
want me to explain.
to sum it up, how do you see this entire havoc created in the industry, and how do you take this as?
Like
What
I
is
said,
your-
I've said everything I had to on that matter, and like it's pretty much that. Any other
Sorry,
question you
thank
have?
Yeah,
you
there's
so
one
much.
question I just
Yes.
wanted to ask.
But I've answered that.
I have a question.
So why
Yeah,
why
don't
do we
keep
have
repeating
to?
that.
Yeah.
Can we please stick to questions about Simran?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
When will we see Kangana turning director?
Just after Mani Karne ka.
Okay, so that's is there something being lined up, something being
Yes,
planned, a
yes,
script, a
yes.
proper script,
Yes.
everything?
Yes,
Everything
I'll
in
make a
place?
proper script only.